Autopark is Tesla's advanced driver assistance feature that allows the Model Y to automatically perform parallel and perpendicular parking maneuvers. It utilizes the vehicle's cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and AI-driven software to detect parking spots, calculate the optimal path, and control steering, acceleration, and braking. To initiate Autopark, drive slowly past a parking space and press and hold the Autopark button on the touchscreen while supervising the process. The system will then park the vehicle automatically. To use Autopark on your Tesla Model Y, several key requirements must be met. We'll explore the software subscription, hardware compatibility, operational conditions, and the crucial role of the driver. First, you need a subscription to full self-driving supervised or enhanced autopilot. This advanced software package unlocks Autopark capabilities. Note that standard autopilot allows basic features like summon, but does not include full Autopark functionality. Second, your Model Y must have compatible autopilot hardware. The autopilot computer, specifically HW3 or later versions, is recommended for the best performance with modern software updates. Third, specific conditions must be met for safe operation. The vehicle must be traveling under 20 miles per hour, and there needs to be a clear parking space that's at least 1.5 times the length of your Model Y. Most importantly, driver attentiveness is essential. You must constantly monitor the system and be prepared to take control if needed. Autopark is not fully autonomous and requires active driver supervision at all times. Meeting these requirements ensures that Autopark operates safely and effectively on your Tesla Model Y. First, ensure your Model Y has FSD Supervised installed and activated through the Tesla app or service center. Update your car's software to the latest version via the touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, Autopilot, Full Self-Driving, and toggle on Autopark. If prompted, calibrate the sensors or contact Tesla service for assistance. Test the feature in a safe, open area before using it in real-world scenarios. Drive slowly under 20 miles per hour past available parking spaces. When the Autopark icon appears, press and hold the Autopark button on the touchscreen. If prompted, select parallel or perpendicular parking mode. Keep your hands near the steering wheel and monitor the vehicle's surroundings. The system will automatically steer, accelerate, and brake to park the car. Release the Autopark button once the maneuver is complete. Use Summon for remote adjustments if necessary. Autopark's performance varies across different real-world scenarios, with optimal results in well-designed parking environments. Autopark works best in well-marked parking lots and spaces, where clear markings help the system identify suitable spots accurately. In 2025, Tesla reported a 99.8% success rate in supervised parking scenarios, demonstrating high reliability when conditions are favorable. User data indicates that Autopark can save drivers an average of 1.5 minutes per parking maneuver, making it convenient for busy urban drivers. However, it may struggle in unstructured environments, poorly lit areas, or with obstructions that confuse the sensors. Always remain attentive and be prepared to take control if necessary to ensure safe operation. Elon Musk has described Autopark as an underrated FSD feature. Safety experts acknowledge its low disengagement rate, but caution against over-reliance. Tesla's 2025 safety data indicates Autopark has been involved in 0 fatalities with a minimal intervention rate. User surveys reveal high satisfaction rates among Tesla owners who regularly use the feature. Here are some troubleshooting tips and important advice for using Autopark effectively on your Tesla Model Y. First, practice using Autopark in empty parking lots to become familiar with how the system works. This helps you understand its responses and build confidence. Second, always adhere to local traffic laws. While Autopark is designed to assist, you remain responsible for safe operation and must follow all regulations in your area. Third, if Autopark fails for any reason, manually park the vehicle yourself and report the issue through the Tesla app. This helps Tesla improve the system with real-world feedback. Fourth, ensure all sensors are clean and free from obstructions. Dirty or blocked sensors can reduce Autopark's effectiveness, so keep them clear for the best results. Finally, Stay updated with the latest Tesla software releases. Regular updates bring improved Autopark performance and new features, keeping your system at its best.